Today I'll share with you how I use the SwitchBot Air Purifier, Meter Pro, Hub Mini and their humidifier to create a smart and healthy environment in the baby room. Hey there, Martijn here. Let's get started. I'll not only show you how each of these devices works, but also how they work together to automatically balance air quality and humidity, for example. Keep in mind that I'm not unboxing or going over a spec list in this video. If you want to know all the details or current pricing, go check out the link in the video's description. The first device in this setup is the SwitchBot Air Purifier. This isn't just an air purifier. It's also a side table and a wireless charger for your phone. Perfect to have next to a rocking chair, so while feeding or relaxing, you can place a glass of water on it and charge your phone. In terms of functionality, it filters pollen, dust and other particles from the air, which is especially useful if your baby is sensitive to allergens. But it's important to note, an air purifier does not lower the CO2 levels. To keep the CO2 levels in check, you need to ventilate regularly. That's where the SwitchBot Meter Pro comes in handy. And good to know, the air purifier now supports Matter directly over Wi-Fi. This means you're not just limited to turning it on and off via a third-party platform, you can also adjust the fan speed and monitor air quality. The SwitchBot Meter Pro measures air quality in real time, including temperature, humidity and CO2 levels. This helps you know when to, for example, open a window. So I've placed it in the baby room so I can keep an eye on the air quality both on the display and in the SwitchBot app. I've connected all of these devices that we've discussed so far to the SwitchBot Hub Mini, which supports Matter. This means I can control everything centrally and set up automations in the SwitchBot app. For example, I set this rule so that when the humidity drops below 50%, the humidifier turns on automatically, and when it reaches 60%, it shuts off again. That brings us to the humidifier, the SwitchBot Evaporative Humidifier. Because of the winter, indoor humidity drops significantly in our house, which leads to dry skin and irritated airways sometimes. Now I've set up the humidifier to automatically turn on when the humidity drops below 50%. This ensures that the room always maintains a comfortable humidity level without me having to think about it. This smart setup helps me create a healthy and comfortable environment in the baby room. The air purifier keeps the air clean. The CO2 monitor helps me determine when to ventilate. The humidifier maintains the right humidity level and everything is managed through the smart hub with automations. This is just the beginning, as we'll try to add and automate more, such as smart curtain motors, smart blinds and so many more SwitchBot products. Which smart devices do you use at home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more smart home solutions, then go watch this video over here as we've reached the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below and else subscribe so that I see you in the next one.